It's barely in frame, but it is in frame. New pipe day today with a Nording Churchwarden, specifically a partially rusticated billiard. Fine looking pipe. Feels great. First impressions are good. This is my first Churchwarden and my fourth or fifth, maybe sixth, I don't know, Nording. I've been pleased with all of my current Nording pipes. The price was right on this guy, especially with a Black Friday deal, so I pulled the trigger on my first Churchwarden. I love billiards. I love rustication. I'm pretty excited about this spigot army mount here. And this isn't just a ring, it does sleeve inside the stummel here for army style mount. Feels great, looks great. Pretty excited to try it out. The only thing I'm not too pumped about is vulcanite for the stem. I know some people prefer it because of the way it feels when being clenched or just in hand. It's a little bit warmer. I don't like taking care of vulcanite, and I usually put pipe bits on my stems anyway. Probably won't on this. Don't plan on clenching it. Does look like there's some light oxidation on the stem already, and up here it's got what looks to be kind of a little crimp line. It doesn't feel like it was crushed, but so the stem is kind of conical here, tapers back and flattens out into like a fishtail, and right there at the crease it's not just discoloration. I can feel that too. I'm not going to send it back. It's not a big deal. It might be a thing that happens too. I don't know. It doesn't bother me too much, but it's worth noting. Yep, it's a great looking pipe. I'm excited to smoke it and get back with you.